guys, I'm yours, Kazuchika Okada. Today with us, the historic never speaking Japanese accent, where I make a custom Kazuchika Okada miniature Flexforce Figure, with just 12 items in total. So we always do time. Let's jump right on the video at first, our intro. Oh, this is what Okada looked before he bothered me. That I am ready now, the course is hard you ready. Waking up with Okada and with the move with former Okada, replacing the new and improved of Okada, using a white paper that as his face like this. Oh, next video is brown down for obvious reason for those who don't get it. I mean for the skin. Now we go to little using pounds back and red to the mouth. We give him hair because it's weird to see him in the bold look. We give him hair using a white paper towel. And color blonde using Tomadoodle preparations and some sketch back. Of the coloring, the one to give the rest for the color to join and keep the little fan for a few of us. Now we finally move to the last process. We cover the whole hair with the grand diamond, cutting the sides of the clean look. Just like this. Doing this box. Without this, the color makes it all and it goes to disappear within seconds. So now we remove the former purple fantasy attire with the color, which I find very easily and effective method. If you have broken hand joints, this process can be really effective for which helps with the movements. I decided to give the strong arm joint to natural roads, custom made this year. We give the artist the details using a black city marker and some black permanent marker in his attire. there we have it there, custom Kazuchika Okada miniature figure. Made with tapes and markers. If you like, it's even made that hit the like button as it's free of codes and doesn't take any charge of spaces. It's time to come over and check if we made any improvements, as clearly the current version is far better than the Okada that I made while watching Blood Japanese drop. Now you may hold it down while he can perform a remake of the song. The answer I can give you without here he can. The Shinto Joseph Rainmaker.